Hello, my dear friend from the internet. Welcome to You Should Know, where I teach programming and how you can use your programming knowledge to get your things done. So, this is one of those videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, basically, what we are going to learn in this video is how you can download the images from any public account or the private account if you follow them right from your browser without using any app. So first I need one account, Instagram account. So I'm going to use Google Instagram account for that. And as you can see that if I so this is let me find one image. So this is the image, right? But if I right click on this image, you can see that I'm not getting any option to save this image. If I illustrate you what I mean by that save as image option, let me go to the Google Images, and then right, and now if I right click on that, you can see it is giving me the option to save image as, right? But if you look here closely, then you can see we do not have any option to save this image. So basically Instagram is protecting it, or maybe you can see that maybe you can say that Instagram is showing this information over the image. That's why this is the image is hidden behind this HTML element, right? So what we have to do, we have to get rid of this thing and go to the image. But here is one more problem, which is if you click on this image, then Instagram will ask you to sign in. But if you are signed in to your Instagram while using this technique, you won't get this error. But if you are not, then we have to figure out a way to get rid of that error. So for that, what we have to do, we have to right click and then go to the inspect. You can also press Ctrl Shift I alternatively, right? And now we have to get this image. So the simple method which I'm going to tell you is you can just right click on this little option here which says toggle device toolbar. So when you will click on this, it will turn into a mobile view, and now what you have to do, you have to refresh it again. So basically what is happening here is that Instagram is kind of open in virtual mobile device right from our browser, and now we have to click on this image, and now you can see this is, and now you can see that this image is open in the browser, right? And now if you click on this little icon here again, you can see we have this image, right? And now if you click on this little icon right before this toggle device toolbar icon, this icon, right? We have to click on this, and then we have to go over this image, and then we have to click it. Now you can see that we have this element over here. We have to select it, and then we have to delete it. Simple. And now we have to, and now you can see that when I'm moving my mouse over this div element, you can see it is selecting that image. Now what we have to do, we have to open it, and then you can see, and then you can see we have these URLs for this image. Now you can, what you can do, you can right click on it, and then you can open it in new tab. As you can see, this is perfectly HD image. It has the pixels which how it was originally uploaded. Now what we have to do, we can simply right click on this, and then we can just save it. Simple as that. Yeah, that's all. That's how easy it is. So if I give you a quick overview again of the whole process, then what we did here is we just went to the Instagram account and we used Google for that, and then we clicked on this little toolbar icon, and then we reloaded it again so that it can open in the virtual mobile view, and then we clicked on this image, and then we clicked here again. We can also just, if you not want to click on that icon, you can just click here, and then you will get the same thing here, right? You have the images here, but I told you to do that because it's really hard to see, because this is small, right? So that's why I told you to click here again so that you can see the image in its full width. So now what you can do, you can just right click here, you can click on the inspect, select it. I already deleted that div which was on the top of this image, that's why we do not have that div here, and we have these URLs of the image directly, we can see them directly. Now if I illustrate you the same thing using for another pic, let's just try it with this one, and what we will do, we will come here, we will click on this icon, we will delete this div right below this div, and once you will click on it, you can see that we have these URLs, right? So open it in new tab and you can just save it, and that's all guys, it was that simple. And so as you can see, this is how simple it was, right? No rocket science. By the way, my friend, I have a little request from you. I'm targeting 10,000 subscribers within 2 months, and it'll be really helpful if you can subscribe and press that bell icon so that when I upload a new and interesting video, you can watch that and help me. So again, I want to thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Also put your comments down below if you want video regarding another thing, and I'll be really glad if I'll be able to help you guys. Thank you so much my friend, thank you for watching this video.